This is the real Tom Rose, and we're dealing with a problem here that you'll notice has variables in the answer choices. 4n plus 6p, 6n plus 4p, etc. So when you have a situation like that, there's two main strategies that you can employ. There's plugging in, and then there's what I'll call the algebra method. I always like to start with the plugging in numbers, and the reason is because you can easily switch from plugging in to algebra, but it's very difficult to switch the other direction. And actually, in this particular problem, you're about to see an example of when we'll want to switch from plugging in numbers to algebra to save some time. So what have we been asked for? We've asked for the total cost, which is of shampoo plus conditioner. All right. Now, how many bottles of shampoo did we buy? We bought, and it may be hard to think about this in terms of variables, so this is where I like to pick numbers. And I typically use small primes for these. So let's say that we bought, N is shampoos. Let's say we did 2 bottles of shampoo. And P will be 3 conditioners. This is a strange person who uses 3.5 times as much conditioner as they use shampoo, but whatever. So our total will be equal to, we bought 2 shampoos at $4 each. And we bought 3 conditioners at $6 each. Now we can move forward and get ourselves an answer here, but it's at this step that I realized, hey, I just made an equation that was pretty easy to construct. And all I did was just plug directly in with these numbers. So 2 is right there, and 3 is right there. So as long as it was that easy, why don't we just bail out and switch to algebra, which is going to take us directly to the answer. So instead of 2 shampoos, let's just do N shampoos at $4 each, plus P conditioners at $6 each, and that'll be equal to the total. Now it's common in algebra to put the coefficient first, so we'll rearrange this to 4n plus 6p equals the total, and you'll see that that is answer choice A. And that's your answer. We could have gone ahead and finished this out with the plugging numbers method, and what we would have gotten was 8 plus 18, which would give us 26. And then we could go ahead and start plugging in the 2 numbers that we had for N and P into the answer choice to see which one was 26. So 4N, 4 times 2 plus 6 times 3, that equals 26. So we have a winner there. We could check the others. So we get 6 times 2 plus 4 times 3. That is 12 plus those is 24. So that's out. We could do 10 times 2 plus 3 is 50. That's out. 0.1 times 2 plus 3 is 5. That's out. Nope, that's 0.5. Still out. And we do 4 plus N times 6 plus P equals 6 times 9, 72. So that's out. And again, so we just double checked that the answer was in fact A, and you could do it either plug in or algebra. This one faster if we bail to the algebra because we skip all of this.